Hey guys, it's Bull from Zoo Clan, and the other day I realized that the Far Cry Let's Play is going to last forever. So I've been looking around trying to find something else to play in the meantime, and this game kept popping up. I've heard only good things of this game, so let's check it out. Let's play Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons. Oh. Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons. I like the art style though. Already, like I can already tell. Let's play a new game. Okay. There's a kid at a grave. I like his hair. His hair is like fires. He's so orange. Like everything about him is just orange and shiz. Just different shades. Oh, is it his sister? Girlfriend? Dog. It's his dog. So not his dog. Lift. I am not controlling this, by the way. Oh shit, it's my mom. Oh, how unfortunate. How unfortunate. Okay, so I'm at my mom's grave. And oh shiz. Ghosties. So is my name Nahi? What language is this? Why should it be like Swedish? I am Nahi. Nahi. Ta. Oh. Is that our brother? Yeah, that's gotta be our brother, because that's like the other guy from the clip art. Not clip art, but like title pic, I guess. But who's the old guy? Is the old guy my dad? The old guy looks like he'd be my dad. How are we supposed to get him across that? There's no bridge. We gotta get him up there? How the hell are we supposed to do this? Hold triggers to interact. Left, brother. Oh. Oh. What? Wait. What? Oh, this is gonna be so freaking. Okay, he just let go. Wait. Grab that. Okay, so right side is little brother, left side's big brother? Yeah, oh, get back over there. You know what? It's so difficult. Okay, because like, you gotta control both of them at the same time, but separately. Like, the big brother, the guy in the blue. I'm just gonna call him Blue. Big brother Blue, come help me, please. The guy in the blue, you gotta control with like the left trigger, and oh, okay. Come here, big brother. And the like left stick, and then the little brother you gotta control with the right trigger and the right stick. See, look at. Oh. Wait. Go. No, turn. Dude, just. Alright, how are we gonna do this? Dang it, I keep forgetting to move the little brother. Big brother's on AIDS. Where do we go? Wait, can I throw you up here? Okay. Now, help me. Yes. Help me. Go over there. Oh, this is stupid. I had to like turn them like the opposite directions. You know? Shut up! Duh. I had to turn them like the opposite directions. Like one was going clockwise, the other one was going counterclockwise. It was super confusing. Dude, my dad sounds really sick. Wait, if we're gonna call the big brother blue, then we have to call the little brother red. That's what they call my dad. Like, everyone just calls him red because literally my dad is like just I can talk through the cutscenes because they're not even speaking a real language, I think. Anyways, but they're still really distracting. My dad is like 6'2", with like bright red hair and like pinkish red skin because he's like a really Irish white man. So they just call him Red. He actually kind of looks like my dad in this game, actually, but without the beard. Actually, that is my dad, but with a beard. Don't worry, Dad. Don't worry, Red. Red Senior. I'm Red Junior. I'm blue. But this is really my brother. Why doesn't he look like either of our parents? Like, my mom was blonde. And my dad's a redhead. But you got, like, brown hair. Like, how did that happen? What are you doing? Are you... Can I punch him? Do I do that? Is that what I do? Literally all I did was throw a tantrum. I can't! Throw a temper tantrum? That's what they're called? Oh, I'm scared of water. Oh, I can't swim? Relax, bro. Just get on my back and I'll swim. Dang. That makes sense though. That's like a pretty traumatic event. Little brother. Get on, little brother. Okay, let's go. Where are we going? Just around the river bend. We're going just around the river bend. Really pretty game. Oh, here's a swim, fool. Don't be an idiot. Oh, alright. Oh, you brat with a stick. No! Do you seriously have nothing better to do today? Like, get up there. I keep forgetting to, like, yeah. Oh, he did a thing. Okay, so get on the rock. Get on the rock. Get on the rock. Oh, oh shiz! It's easier at the same time. Oh, that's bizarre. Woo! Oh, I forgot it, little brother. Jump, bruh. Holy crap. This is actually easier to do all this crazy shit at the same time. Oh my gosh, we're like the most badass friends ever. Brothers? We're brothers. Oh. Okay. Bro. I don't want to. I just want to. beautiful. Where do we go? Oh, hey. Okay, I need to fix the camera. Where am I? Ah, little brother! Oh, there's that punk kid. God, you're such a pain in the butt. Can I fit through these? Heck yeah, I can. Are you seriously scared of this little ass dog? Look at it, he's got floppy ears. Oh shit. Hi. You're pathetic. I feel freaking like special when I'm doing this. I can't, like, oh look at the cat. I can't control them both at the same time. Whoa. Wake up! Why don't I just pull the lever? You could have just stayed to sleep. Little brother, Red, you're kind of mean.
Anna, when hadi? Oh,
Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, it looks like my hair. I like how Red runs. Red runs with like his arms like way out to his sides. Doogie 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 doogie. Oh, give me the ball. My dad is actually like so pro at this. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Thank you. Oh, 2 points! Bish. No! It's mine! I'm gonna just take this with me. I hope she doesn't. Whoa, Red! Wait, come back. Wait, stop running over. Stop. I keep forgetting which one you are, Red. Okay, wait. I got an achievement. Push the gate. There we go. Dude, Red runs like a doofus. He's all nerd. Oh, she's playing a harp. Not really. Oh. Hope I wasn't supposed to interact with him. What up, Blue? Oh, did you see the bunny? There was a bunny. And... Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Oh, I get this game. Can you die in this game? Whoa, jeez. Whoa, jeez. Not today, you cat. Oh, did you hear that bird? Yep. Like how Red slides down on his ass. Get up there, Red. You can do it. Oh, shut up. Let's go, bruh. Dude, Blue, you're like obnoxious. Whoa! And your little brother's showing you up. And this, am I supposed to go that way? Yeah. Just run. Look at me, run. I'm gonna figure out this puzzle for you. Come on. Come here, sheep. Oh, he's so fat. Look at it. He's gonna weigh it down, and then you're gonna... Oh! He dropped on his face. Okay, wait, grab the sheep, Blue. It's gonna... run on this. Run on it. Oh my god, is this gonna work? Hi, sheeps. Slide on my butt. Slide like surfer. Whatever works with you. Hip. Hip. Whoa, do you hear that? It sounds so derpy. Do you see the dog running around down there? Holy crap. Don't go near it. Don't ogres like eat bones and stuff? Why is your bed outside? Oh, there's 2 beds. He lost his wifey. Hi.
Hey.
Dude, Blue, your hands are huge. Do you know where this tree is?
When hadi da?
So, way over there. Come on.
Sa?
I don't know about this. I don't know about following him, but we're gonna... Whoa. I don't know about this, but we're gonna check it out. Almost ran me down. Whoa. Almost ran me down twice. In the next video. Bye, guys.